Hi, and welcome to another video. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to talk about Bakkt and Bitcoin. Bakkt's Bitcoin futures is open to retail investors. And I know a lot of you out there are going, woohoo! So, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I am not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. Now, Bakkt went live recently, and if you're not aware of Bakkt, Bakkt is basically the New York Stock Exchange for Bitcoin. In fact, the Bakkt exchange is owned by a joint venture with the owner of the New York Stock Exchange, Microsoft, and Starbucks. The three of them teamed up. They built the Bakkt exchange. It's been a long-term project. They have invested close to $500 million, and it's finally gone live. So Bitcoin futures already open to retail investors, the COO says. He said in an interview with CNN's Julia Chatterley that ICE futures contracts launch meant for the first time ever, you have end-to-end regulated marketplace for the price discovery of Bitcoin. White hopes that daily and monthly futures contracts will lead to price discovery, and while most of the attention is focused on the thus far unrealized potential of institutional money entering the space through Bakkt, White opened the door to retail investors to enter the market, saying, Bakkt is really designed for the institutional trader, so this is a futures contract. That said, we expect this futures contract to trade through retail brokerages as well. So retail customers can trade this contract. So that's fabulous news for the retail investors. If you have an account, say with a Charles Schwab, a TD Ameritrade, an E-Trade, or one of the other mega online retail brokerage firms, contact your brokerage firms. Tell them that you want to trade in Bakkt futures and ask them how you can get set up in order to do that. So I want to thank you for listening today. I want you to use the form below to tell us how we can be of service to you. There's a link and it takes you right to a form where you can tell us any of your thoughts and comments. We would love to hear from you. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and hodl. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.